Come to the next question. In the next question, it says that find the ratio of the following. Now, this is quite simple question. Simply, you have given two numbers, and in between the numbers, you have to find out what is the ratio and what's the ratio going on. So, first we have taken 81 raised to 108. That means if you want to find out the ratio between 81 and 108, so you just have to make it in its both the numbers should be in its simplest form. That means there if you are if you want to take the ratio, first we have taken 81 and 108. Simply cut short both the numbers till the simplest form. That means 3 by 4 is the last simplest form. After 3 by 4 there is no common number. There is no such common number which also can cut the numerator and denominator both. That means this will be the ratio of 31 and 108. Similarly, you have to find out the ratio between 98 and 63. Again, you have taken 98 raised to 63. So you just start cut short with the and try to make both the numbers in its simplest form, where after that there should not be any single common number between numerator and denominator. So this will be 14 by 9. This is the simplest form in between 98 and 63. So that is the ratio of 98 and 63 in between, that is 40 raised to 9. Now again the third part, see, it says that 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. That means we have to find out the ratio between 33 kilometer and 121 kilometer. So again make both you have taken the both the numbers and just try to go with the simplest form of both the numbers, that is 33 and 21. If you have cut short with the numbers with 11, so it will be 3 and this will be 11. So what will be the ratio between 33 to 121 kilometer? It will be 3 by 11. This is the ratio between both the numbers. Now come to the next question, question number 10, that in a college out of 4320 students, 2300 are girls. Find the ratio of. First go through with the question that it's the information is given that in a college out of 4320, that means the complete strength of a college is what? It is 4320. So complete strength, that means both girls and boys. If you are including both boy and girl, so what will be the strength? It will be 4320. From this part, the number of girls are in the form of 2300. That means the number of girls are available in 2300. So if you want to find out the number of boys, so what we have to do? We simply, if we subtract 2300 from 4320, so the remaining number will be for boys, because this is the complete strength of a college in which boy and girl both are included, and this is the number of only girls. So if you want to find out the number of only boys, so if you subtract 2300 from 4320, you simply get the number of boys. Now we'll come with the question. Now in the part of A, it says that number of girls to the total number of students. First we have to find out the ratio between that girls to total number of students. First so as we know, the number of strength, that means the number of girls, how many number of girls are there? There are 2300. This is the number of girls. And what is the numbers? What is the number of total number of student? That is 4320. So we have to find out. We have just mentioned here the number of boys, but in this question it's not required. But it will also help us to finding out any other information. So that is just for the information that number of boys, how many number of boys are there? It's 2020. Now come with our question, that is ratio of girls to the number of students. That means number of girls were 2300, total number of student, that is 4320. So this make this simplest form. If you cut short this number with 100 and you will get 115 by 216. So what will be the ratio of girls with respect to the total number of student? It will be 115 raised to 216. Now come to the B part, that is number of boys to the number of girls. That means we have to find out the ratio between the number of boys and number of girls. Now here we have to use such information, because number of boys, as we know, what is the strength of boys? That is 2020, and the number of girls, that is 2300. So what will be the ratio? It will be, after cut short, you will get 101 by 115. So what will be the ratio? It will be 101 raised to 15. This will be the answer for the second B part. Now come to the C part. The number of boys to the total number of student. Number of boys with respect to the total number of student, again the same funda will work here. The total number of boys is 2020, and what is the total number of strength? Total number of student of college, that is 4320. If you simplified this number, you will get 101 raised to 216. So this will be the ratio for boys raised to total number of student.